Hey, just welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode's equipment are here, and basically what this is an electric water kettle. So definitely use this to like boil water in here, but if you guys want to make tea or some other stuff, you probably can as well. So the one that we got here is from this brand right here, and this is 1.8 liters. And they mentioned how they have a high quality glass on here that should not break unless you guys probably drop it by accident. And inside the product here, they mentioned how there's an LED light as well. So when you guys turn on the product, it will definitely turn on that light on here. If you can see on the side right here, they provide you guys some more information about the product. But this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually take it out to show you guys what the product looks like first and show you guys what's included inside. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you can see how to provide you guys instruction manual right here to teach you guys how to start a product and how to use it. And this is basically what the inside looks like. Let's take it out. So when we take out that part right there, you can see the actual part right there. So you can definitely see the base and the electric kettle on the side. But let's take it all out. So right here, the base all nicely wrapped. When you guys take it out, this is basically what the product looks like. And this is basically what the bottom part looks like. And then when we take out the electric kettle, this is basically what it looks like. So remove it from the wrapper right here. This is basically what the product looks like. So you definitely see the logo right here, and they do have the little measurement right here. So the maximum is 1.8 liters, and the minimum is 0.5 liters. So I'm not sure if it's see or not, but right here is where they label it. And then this is basically what the top part looks like. So right here is when you pour out the water, and then right here is the button to push it, to open up the lid. So that way you can fill water inside. Then once you guys are done, you guys can close it back up. And then they do have a one button control right here like I mentioned. So this is how you guys turn it on, and this is how you guys turn it off. And then here is basically what the bottom part looks like. And I'm not sure if you can see inside here, but they definitely have the LED light right here all around the product. You guys will definitely see it in a second once we plug it in and activate it. But that is basically everything that's on the product. So when you guys feel the glass on here, it definitely feels like a high quality glass. And basically the way how you guys set up the product and how to use it is just plug in the cable right here and put this on top. And it is rotatable like I mentioned. And it's really cool how it has auto protection on here, like the auto shut off, the boil dry protection, and the list goes on. But that's basically everything that's in the package. Let me just put some water in here and plug it in and show you guys how it works and when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got the product right here. If you guys want to open up the lid, just go like that and you pour the water inside. And then once you guys have the water filled inside right here, you can start using it. Alright, so we got the product all plugged in right here. You just want to put it on top right here. And just push the button on the side right here to activate it. If you can see, the LED light pops on right here. So all we need to do now is let it finish boiling, and then we can start using the product. But obviously if it's the first time using this, you definitely want to boil a few times before you guys actually drink the water inside. So let's wait for this to actually boil first and come back and check on it. As you see, the product is actually boiling a lot right now. So it should be almost done. Alright, so see how the switch pop on by itself. So that's how you guys know when it's done. And you can see the light actually turns off by itself as well once it's done. So you can definitely see the product definitely does work, and it works quite well. It heats up really fast. And when you guys try to lift it up, it's not hot at all. You probably feel a little bit warm, but it's not hot at all. So definitely safe to touch once you guys finish boiling the product. So now you guys a quick test of the product and definitely see it actually does work. It actually works quite well. Super easy to use the product. Literally all you guys need to do is just plug in the cable to activate it. And you guys want to fill the water inside the kettle. And you just want to push the button to activate it. And basically once you guys do all of that, it'll boil by itself. And then once it finishes boiling, then you can definitely start using it. But obviously if it's your first time using the product, you probably want to boil like a few times first to make sure the product is clean before you guys use it. But you see from the test, it actually works really well, and it's actually really easy to use it as well. But now to go unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this electric kettle, I would definitely have to say that it's actually pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality electric kettle that's really easy to use, that only requires you guys to plug in a cable, open up the lid to fill the water inside and push one button to activate it, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.